Like, how can I make sure that this doesn't happen again? So I just got a package from my vendor. I'm about to open it and get the hair washed and ready. I be feeling like I had such a long day, but it don't be that long. I just start early, so I be tired, and for whatever reason, I gotta take naps. Unless there's absolutely nothing for me to do, then I can take a nap. But like, my body doesn't. It just doesn't do the whole nap thing. Right. Like, I appreciate the intensive packaging, but I really wish it wasn't this intricate. Like, okay. Y'all, so I had to order hair from my vendor for a customer, and for the first time ever, I got the wrong length. I'm actually very pissed off about it, and that is so uncool. Like, the hair feels great, the hair is great, but all of these are measuring out to be 20 inches. Meanwhile, this one is hitting like a 19-inch. If you pull it out a little bit longer, like, it barely reaches 20, but I'm honestly not comfortable sending that to my customer. So I'm going to contact my customer. I'm going to let her know the situation, and I'm going to ask her what she prefers. I'm going to give her the option of just, you know, going ahead and sending her all this hair if she's cool with it, or I can go ahead and send her the 3 bundles now and then replace the 19-inch bundle with a 20-inch bundle. I'll have to go through the process of sending it back, getting it replaced, and all that, but I honestly don't care. I'd rather my customer be happy. Bro, like, this has never actually happened to me, so I'm so blown, but I'm not gonna let it ruin the day. Customers always come first, so I'm gonna make sure that she's happy. So I'm gonna contact her, let her know exactly what the deal is, and I will let her choose from that. I did order some other hair from my vendor. The lengths came out perfectly. It was in the texture wavy. So yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to them about this, because this is uncool. This is why it's important to have backup vendors. I do have another vendor, a couple other vendors, so honestly, this one might have to get scratched because I cannot afford to be having this happen. But I'm definitely going to talk to him, and well, I already reached out to him. I'm just waiting to hear back from him. I'm getting this figured out regardless of what my customer says, but I am going to reach out to her and see what she prefers. Okay, so I just woke up, and my customer is okay with the lengths that she received. So I had ordered pre-washed 3 of her bundles. Here's another customer's bundles. I'm currently conditioning the 3rd bundle, which was the shortest bundle. I'm definitely not happy about this vendor situation, so I'm actually going to call him. This bundle right here is conditioning. I'm gonna leave it being conditioned for a while. I have to go to work, but before I go to work, business must be handled. Hi, how are you? Like, how can I make sure that this doesn't happen again? Okay. Okay. He wants to call me back in 15 minutes. Hopefully he has some good news to say. I have other vendors, so I'm really not too blown about this, but I'm blown about this. Like, come on. Like, how can you send the wrong link? And then, I mean, I'll just see how he handles it, but honestly, with shit like this, it's just gonna be a no for me. I mean, I understand it wasn't intentional, because it was like, it barely hit 20. And I know some vendors will send ranges as opposed to the actual length, but that needs to be communicated with me. We'll see. Let me go finish washing this. Like, y'all, the hair is amazing quality. I get like little to no shedding when washing. Shedding is so minimal. And then it's so soft and silky, even underwater. I am in the process of packaging, getting things together, and then I'm going to head out to the post office. I don't have much storage left on my memory card, so who knows if you guys will see me do all of that. But here are the bundles, getting them prepped and ready, and then I'm off.